Protecting capital starts with smart orders. Learn OANDA's advanced order types in 1 minute. On the OANDA trade ticket, you can set stop loss and take profit before placing a trade. Stop loss closes a position at a set price to limit losses. Take profit locks gains by closing at your target price automatically. Trailing stop follows favorable moves, adjusting your stop to protect profits. Guaranteed stop guarantees exit at your level, even during gaps, for a fee. Set both stop loss and take profit on the ticket. Use clear price levels. Enable trailing stop and choose a step size. Watch the stop trail as the market moves. Select guaranteed stop when volatility risks exist. Confirm the fee before submitting. Rule 1. Size your stops to match risk. Rule 2. Don't move stops impulsively. Captions are on for all steps. Check confirmations and account limits before trading. Manage risk first. Use these order types to protect capital. Visit OANDA resources to learn more.